Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for December 8, 2020. If you look at here on the SBY daily chart, so the market is able to follow support and then they continue to put it back to the upside. So the market is low volume and but it's very strong. No seller coming in. The market will continue to push it back up to the upside. So it seems like the market is going to have a Christmas rally earlier. So right now the trend is still up, so we'll stick with the uptrend. And look at the smaller time frame, the market is still nicely pushing it up to the upside. So let's see how far it can go. Right now the trend is still up. We will continue to stick with the upside. If you look at the EMini SP 500 future after hours, the market is still continue to push to the upside. So the momentum is still upside, as you can see here. So until they push it back up, we don't know how far they go because we have no resistance on the top. So we just monitor to see until they give you a sell signal. Otherwise, we just stick with the uptrend. If you are in our live trading room this morning, when the market open, overnight market, they push it back up. They make a flat pattern. After the breakout, our member jump in. They can make it, 13, 15 point on the first trade, and then after that, they hit to the resistance. They pull it back down, and then they go back. They follow support, and then they continue to shoot it up until the end of the day. So if you look at a lot of stock that we talking on a weekly market forecast, the semiconductor still put it very strong, as you can see here. XIM, we analyze this one for you. Let me see here, XIM. Okay, so this one here is still continue to the upside. Since over the weekend, the last couple of days, market it continue to shoot it up. And KLAC. Okay, that's another one. It's the KLA Corp. They are still doing extremely well. The momentum is still in the upside. So still stick with the upside until they change the direction. The technology software is still doing well. Apple is trying to slowly crawl back up, but it's still in the uptrend. APPF, that's another one. It tries to find a way to push it back up and break out. PLK, that's another target. They'll be able to stabilize, find some support here. Let's see tomorrow they'll be able to get out and then continue to the upside. And PANW, which is a Palo Alto network, this stock is extremely well. We highlight the last couple of days, and then it still continue to the upside. And as you can see, the market it continue to upside. A lot of target they try to break out and continue to make it high. So we will stick with the uptrend until they change direction. A lot of oil stock is still zigzag, but they are still hanging there. OXY, as you can see here, will continue to put it back up. XOP, that's another one that they are trying to find a way to crawl back up. So overall, the market is still bullish. Today, I sell one of the stock. They call a FSLY. This is a swing trade. Beside it, we do a day trade in our live trading room, but we also analyze a lot of stock for the swing trade. So let's see that I give you one example here, like this stock here. After they follow support, they put it back up. They give it the bullet formation. You jump in, you buy the stock or you buy option, whatever. Okay, in a couple of days, you can make a big gain right there. For me, instead of using, when the market they pull back here, instead of using $80,000 to buy 1,000 shares, I'm using an option. Okay, I buy 10 contracts, and then in a couple of days, and then I sold it. Only cost me $9,000 instead of spending $80,000. I only spend $9,200, and then you make it $10,786, which is 117% gain in a couple of days. Okay, so that's one technique that we can use so that we can leverage money, and then you can make the bigger profit potential. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So overall, the market is still bullish. We will stick with the uptrend until they change direction. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart correctly by using a modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. We have a video there to show you that how we trade. So hopefully you can learn something from there. Otherwise, you can join family of Stock Navigator. Okay, we have a lot of members and then the best community out there that everybody support together. And then every day in our live trading room, we make a call together. We share a lot of trade tips so that people they can take advantage of that, so that they can make money. And then in our community, very active. Every member, they help each other. Any question they pose in there, the other member will jump in and help them answer every single question they have. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.